How to log into Stremio app. So first of all, launch Stremio app on your mobile devices. Now, once you come to the app's interface, you'll see various options. If you haven't created your account, you can tap on Sign Up. Or, if you wish to, you can also continue logging in with your Facebook account. So for now, let's tap on the option of Login at the bottom. Over here, let's go ahead and enter our email address. Here we go. Now, enter the password of your account. Now, in case if you have forgotten your password, you can tap on Forgot Password option. Or else, you can also tap on Guest Login. Now, if you have already registered your account, just enter in your credentials and tap on Login. And with that, you will successfully be able to log in to your Stremio account. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.